Today I will share with you how to repair a Mercedes C Class 204 ECU. Let's take a look at the symptoms first. The engine light is on. We check this ECU's DTCs. Crankshaft position sensor electric fault. Let's fix it. This is a Mercedes-Benz C 271K ECU. Look at these black marks on this shape. This is caused by the leaking capacitor on the back. So let's remove those three capacitors. You can see the board needs to be cleaned up. After cleaning, we replace the capacitors. Now we install it back on the car. Car starts. The fault light is off. Throttle works normally. Let's check the DTCs. Okay, all good.